Hi guys, thanks for joining me. This is Kelly, aka Kelly the Sunshine Crafter. I'd like to introduce you Folded Hugs stamp. It's so cute. It's a 3x4 stamp set and it's great for coloring. It's great for so many different things. Yeah, I'm absolutely loving this stamp. And what's great about it is that there is a hugs die that matches the word hug, and you'll see that shortly. What's great about this set is that this release rather is that so many items play well together. You can mix and match and stretch the use out of your stamps and dies because they coordinate so well together. This hugs from Sending Hugs fits perfectly over the word hug in the folded hug stamp. And also I want to show you that this die from the slimline frame and fold fits perfectly over this stamp as well with the stitching detail. If you get a chance, please check out the Trinity Stamps blog, Instagram, and Facebook group for more inspiration. Please consider liking and subscribing for future design team inspiration. Again, thanks for stopping by. Have a great day.